Hold on to your camera straps, because Canon just shook up the photography and videography world with its latest powerhouse, the EOS R6 Mark III. This full-frame mirrorless camera isn't just an upgrade, it's a game-changer for creators who demand versatility without breaking the bank. Canon's newest addition to the EOS R lineup packs a punch with a 32.5 megapixel sensor, a significant leap from its predecessor's 24 megapixels. But that's just the beginning. The R6 Mark III also boasts 7K video recording, improved autofocus, and a dual-card slot system featuring a speedy CF Express Type-B slot alongside a traditional SD slot. Mark your calendars for November 25th, when this beast hits the shelves starting at $2,799 for the body-only option. If you're looking for a kit, pair it with the RF 24-105mm STM lens for $3,149 or splurge on the RF 24-105mm L lens for $4,049. But here's where it gets controversial. While the R6 Mark III is positioned as a more affordable alternative to the high-resolution EOS R5 Mark II, it's no slouch in the specs department. With 4K, 120p and 7K, 60p RAW video capabilities, including full corner-to-corner open-gate filming, it's a serious contender for hybrid shooters. And this is the part most people miss: Canon has added more gamma settings, including Log2 mode and custom looks, plus practical features like a tally lamp and a full-size HDMI port, a welcome upgrade from the micro HDMI of yesteryear. Autofocus gets a boost too, with the ability to register a person's face for priority tracking. However, not everyone is cheering about the new card slot setup. Canon's shift from dual SD slots to an asymmetrical CF Express Type-B and SD combo is polarizing. While CF Express offers faster speeds, essential for those high-res bursts at 12 frames per second mechanical or 40 frames per second electronic, it comes at a higher cost and adds complexity for those juggling multiple card formats. Unlike Sony's combo slots, Type-B can't double as an SD slot, which might frustrate some users. And this is where it gets even more exciting. Alongside the R6 Mark III, Canon unveiled the RF 45mm f1.2 STM lens, a compact prime with a ridiculously bright aperture for low-light shooting and creamy bokeh. Priced at just $469.99, it's a steal compared to other f1.2 lenses, which often exceed $1,500. But there's a catch: it's not an L lens, so weather sealing is out, and you'll need to shell out an extra $59.99 for a lens hood. Canon admits it relies on in-camera corrections to keep costs down, which might irk pixel peepers. Still, as someone who loves affordable glass, I'm hoping this sparks a trend. Here's the burning question: is the R6 Mark III the ultimate hybrid camera for its price, or does the card slot controversy overshadow its innovations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We're eager to hear if you'd make the switch or stick with the competition.